objectives that really guide us. One is promoting love, that is agape love. Two is to educate, uplift, and show you the way to be financially free. On this table, if one orders for chicken, I might be, or I must be in position to say that, can you take up beans? Do you know why I'm in position to give alternative? Because I have money in my pocket. But if you don't have money in your pocket, you not have any alternative. So having said that, let's come back. We hate poverty because with poverty, you cannot sit on a round table with a prince, with a princess, or with the people that look forward. When we are speaking of poverty, we don't say poverty is about money in your bank account or in your pocket. We mean the mindset and the future and the way forward for you. So here we are. We've been bringing you a lot of things about making money, about getting at the beach, even in your hotel room, even in your vacation. You should click and you get $1 in your account. We are taking you through this app. This app it needs any type of phone. Is it Android? Is it a laptop? Is it your iPhone? Anyone. You can use this type of method and you earn money. And the good thing also in this method I'm going to give you, or to be unveiling soon, it's that you can withdraw at a minimum amount of money. The threshold is so low. You'll be seeing it. The third one that you're going to see is that everybody on this earth, you can do it. You know why you should do it? Because you like being entertained, you like watching movies, and you like watching comedies. So this is so simple. But before that, have you subscribed to Market Choice channels? If you haven't subscribed, please go down and hit the subscription button. If you've already subscribed, we hurt you so much. We love you. And we continue to say, keep coming. But as you watch and see what we do, we want you to put them in practice. Here we are with Workers.Cash. I know it is very interesting. You've ever heard about Workers.Cash or you've never heard about it. But here we're going to tell you about it. If you're watching me right now, it means you are eligible to be part of the people to earn money from Workers.Cash. What you need, you only need your email to register or sign up. The second one is to fill up your form just as they ask you. But if you have already the email, you will not be in hassle to start registering the form because the email already have your details. So what you do, go to your browser. Are you using Google? Are you using Chrome? Are you using Firefox? Put Workers.Cash. Others call it Workers.Cash, but the right way is Workers.Cash. Workers.Cash, the moment you sign up, you will see it is very interesting. The dashboard looks like this. Immediately, you'll find your balance as you sign up. It is 0. But don't mind, in a trick of an eye, you're going to get dollars on your account. So what do you do on this? You will continue down and see there is somewhere you will see earning, start earning. The time you see that one, start earning, click there. When you click there, it will take you to different types of ad videos. These ad videos are just 10 seconds. This is why I said any person can do it at the comfort of your home, whether you're in the beach or you're in the car traveling somewhere, you can do this one. So the moment you click on this ad, it takes only 20 seconds. 20 seconds, it will be having a timer. In a trick of an eye, it will finish. Guess what? How much is deposited on your account? It is 0.00022. I know Omnafu, someone who is so poor in mind, is going to say, hi, this money is too small. But how much have you brought to your table today without doing anything? Watching Netflix or Nigerian movies or Telemundo? Have you brought anything? I guess no. So now imagine, if you're watching 10, let's say 10 of them, how much is going to be? It is going to be very reasonable amount of money depending on the time you're putting in. So let's continue and see. This Workers.Cash is not only to give you money through watching ads. You can also access more money by referral. It has affiliate links. The moment you use these affiliate links, the person who has joined is going to earn, and you're going to earn also. I know the interesting part whereby most people always ask is about payments. Before I reach payments, do you know you can continue earn money? I've tried it, I tell you the truth, and I've tried it for 2 days. I saw it is working. And when I withdraw, I'll come back and tell you also the same. It has different levels. Don't think it's like any other ordinary one. Others, you find you watch ads and get money, but this one you can watch ads, upgrade until you reach level 12. It has 12 levels from level 1. Right now I'm on level 1 because I just started to see, and I see how I can come and talk to you. The moment you reach level 12 or different, what is the reason of you going to different higher levels? The higher the level, the higher the commission, the higher the payments, and the better the way of withdrawal or the withdrawal time. So as you continue to pray these ads, they will be giving you bonus, they will be giving you your level, you'll be increasing from one level to the other. Now let me come to you to the best interesting part whereby we are here on payments. You can earn you can be paid in different ways, but I like mostly one. But these 3 ways is: one, we have payer, payeer, not payee, not pal, payer. Then the second one we have EarnCash. The third one we have Tron. Then we have Doggy Coin. Doggy Coin, you will find it. People who have cryptocurrency, you know it. Tron, you know it. I've traded in Tron. EarnCash, you know it. So if you decide to go with that, you'll find the minimum withdrawal is higher. But the one that I love so much and I encourage you to use is Payer. Payer, you can register and sign up for this. It's like any other, like the way you say PayPal. So register and get your money from there. And the good thing with Payer, you will withdraw your money at $1. This is so much interesting. There is no any other website that I've seen that can go up to $1. If you check our previous video, we're telling you about the 5 or the various red flags of websites that are fake. This one is extraordinary. It's very good. For you to reach $1 is not easy thing. Because you'll hear $1 and you're like, this one is not. No, it's not easy thing. Get 0.00022 multiply by 40 small videos. That is 10. Every video has 10 seconds. So how many are they? That's when you reach to $1 or above. So the moment you reach $1, you withdraw it. And I'm not saying that I'm bringing for you this, that you're going to immediately start going to the cash showroom and ask, I want a remortgage because I'm doing Workers.Cash. No, this one will bring for you to get more streams of income such that you should not be among the people who are conning others, or among the people who are being needy, or who are not confident to walk with the friends and say, "Attend this round table, I pay for it." When you're dealing with Workers.Cash, you will have some minimum amount of money in your bank account. You can go and get a mocktail, you can go and eat some chicken, you can go to McDonald's, you can take your friends out. So do you think you can do this? If you want to know more, I want you to follow the prompts immediately as you sign up. When you sign up, you learn, because you are not going to learn more of this. But if you want to learn more, you can subscribe to our YouTube channel. You can subscribe to our Facebook channel. Just go and subscribe. For YouTube, for Facebook is just $1. The moment you subscribe, we'll give you more details exclusive of only subscribers. Guys, I know I've given you too much or too little, but do you think we can make this $1? Suppose we make $2 per day. A week, how much will it be? 2 times 7. That one is $14. Just watching ads. What do you think? Guys, if you've been blessed, go down and hit the thumbs up. You can also write it in the comment section. Don't forget, Immaculate Show, we majorly have 2 objectives that really guide us. 1 is promoting love, that is agape love. 2 is to educate, uplift, and show